Right guys, I've made it halfway home here. Can't even hear myself think with what's going on in the car, but it's not, oh goodness, it's not driving the best. Feels kind of kangaroo-y. Not so sure how this is going to go. Hi guys. Now, not entirely sure what's happened to me. Don't know if it's just the time away from the skyline, but I've been unable to resist. So I'm quite sure you've already seen in the thumbnail, I have definitely bought the cheapest Golf GTI in the UK, and I can say that confidently because I got it for nothing. Now guys, I actually got a shout from someone in the work to say they were scrapping their car that they've owned for 18 years. Now in MD's book, somebody that's owned a car for 18 years, normally a good sign, and guys, here it is, the first look. My latest Mark IV GTI. So guys, got the camera set up on the outside as well, just to hear this very interesting noises on start up. So firstly I'll just turn the ignition on. Oh. Any ideas? And on. I think it actually gets worse as well. Now guys, from the outside it actually sounds pretty good. You've got all that drama inside, but right here, and I'll just sneak around the back. Actually sounds fine. So guys, anybody that knows me knows I love a Golf GTI. This is actually the fourth one now I've owned. The second two-door Mark IV. Stick a picture of my first two-door in the description at the moment. And we obviously know the daily black Mark IV 1.8 turbo. Now both of mine have been 1.8 turbo. This one however is a 2 litre. Now again, I'm filming it in the rain. It's maybe looking okay here guys. Firstly, for free, you're taking that all day long, aren't you? Actually is looking okay now. The weather is forgiving like I said previously, but front wings always go on the Mark IV. These ones have had a repair. Passenger side however is looking very decent. Sills looking good. Actual car itself is not too bad. 5-spoke rims, I'm sure they aren't BBS, but all centre caps have been taken. Simple no front plate. Easy improvement to the front end. Black mirrors, was this an upgrade? Do they come like this? Unsure. Clear side repeaters again, don't know if they came like that. I know I always put a side repeater on a Mark IV, but I don't know whether they came like that or not. Guys, actually it's been running for a wee minute now and it's sounding okay out here. From the back, could it look any more family car? Now, again, there's obviously going to have bits and bobs wrong. Now the paint, again, the rain is looking at making okay. This feels more like, you can probably hear, sandpaper. Yes, the door is hanging off slightly. That is actually it, fully closed. I think the paint around the spoiler and boot remains very much the same, but again, I don't know, is this a mod? 2 litre badge? Right guys, what do we think so far? I've showed you the outside, it's looking okay, it's actually sounding pretty sweet now that it's been running for a wee minute. So far so good. Now, again, please leave in the comments, we haven't seen the worst of this yet, we're just about to get to it, but if there's anything you guys think we should do, or whether I should keep it, or whether I should just sell it on, that might become a better option once we see inside. And it might just become something to fund the skyline, but unless you get any idea, guys, just let us know. So guys, this is where it possibly starts to change. Now the outside, I think we can all say we could live with this no problem. However, the inside, especially if I was to use this as a daily and swap the black one, needs some attention. Now, shutting the door, we can improvise. And we're in. Not quite sure what's happened to this seat. It's the worst bolster I've ever seen. The car is 210,000 miles old, but wow, certainly been used, which is a good sign. Blue, unbranded, and I'm not sure if these actually are Recaros or these are just the basic headliner. Much better than the black one. Up here, guys, there you go, 206,000 miles. This one is a 2 litre petrol. That is a fair amount of mileage for a petrol engine. However, the last owner assures me that the engine was actually changed about 100,000 miles ago. We have the centre console. Already appears to have lost the wood trim. But look, guys, this is a problem. We have a aftermarket cup holder when we all know the Mark IVs actually have the best cup holder of any car I've ever seen. Somebody proved me wrong with that. I do have a spare light from another headline repair. Back seats look okay. Guys, it's completely stuck under the bonnet. I would show you, but the rain is absolutely torrential, as you can probably see. But quick rundown, free car, can you complain now? In all honesty, what I've probably kept quiet to now, if anyone even still watches these videos up to now, there was coolant on my driveway, which I don't think is a good sign. The car doesn't drive the best. I'm going to drive it back home with the camera on. It doesn't drive great. I don't know whether it's worthwhile progressing on, but guys, please let me know. If not, I can just sell it on and put the money to the Skyline. But if you are still watching and you're interested, then cheers. I'll see you next time.